Hi guys, today I'm making Poppy Playtime chapter.
Okay, final answer JV again.
This is Poppy Playtime. This is Kissy Missy. Today is Poppy Playtime chapter 5. But I'm not gonna make chapter 5, I'm gonna make the last one. I put this right here. If you want to make Huggy Wuggy, just put down in the comments. And I'm gonna push it out.
Lorraine, dahil dyan, sabihin mo, nandyan ba sa board ng spider?
Nandyan ba sa board ng spider dapat lang?
Here is Huggy Wuggy.
Lorraine,
Or should I say Kissy Missy?
tingnan mo yung number 1.
I'm making Kissy Missy. If you want to make Poppy Playtime,
Anyway,
put
ang
down
ating final score, Miss World PhD 428 points.
Bro!
Circle of Beauty 55 points. Thank you, ladies. Very close, but you ladies were great. Salamat. Valerie, thank you. JV, salamat. Mamuwi pa rin kayo ng 50,000 pesos. Thank you. And, ito na, Isa. Okay, you just won 100,000 pesos. Sino maglalaro sa fast money, Isa? Si Nikki and Gigi. Okay, eto na. Samantala, ito na po isa pang pagkakataong manalo sa mas pinalawak na guest for Win More Promo. May
I'm
walong
watching
mananalo
Poppy
araw-araw
Playtime
ng
because
1,000
I
pesos
love
at Mason
love Ray.
ito 100,000 pesos. Ito ang tanong, kapag sinabing nakayapak, ano ang sopro sa paa? A, wala? Or B,
It's almost
medyas?
done.
So kung ayaw nyo
I'm
masabi
gonna
ang
make
entry
a
nyo,
1
ipadala nyo
minute
po sa Guess for Win More Promo official website ang inyong sagot. Samantala, narito ang nanalo last week ng 100,000 pesos.
How many times did that
Congratulations
say?
from all of us here on Family Feud.
Let's say hi, smile.
Congratulations sa
much
nanalo
time.
ng 100,000 pesos.
I'm not gonna make play. Have no more time. But I'm gonna make a card. Hello guys. Here is Goodbye everyone. Because it's almost done.
For a
Bye.
chance to win